Should we say 2 words?
2 words each.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm?
And we'll just make the order ourselves. Okay.
Wait. Um. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Slips
Game review.
cabbage. Game review. Slips cabbage.
Slips cabbage game review. Council has spoken.
Why would you say game review?
I don't. Why would you say slips cabbage?
Why do you want to watch a game review?
Sad.
Don't you want to watch a cabbage slipping over? Or someone slips on the cabbage?
Don't want to watch someone game a review.
Do another one.
Okay. Um. Okay, I'll go on. They go together.
Okay. Okay. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Falling
Epic
fridge.
fail. Falling fridge.
Yeah.
Epic fail.
Falling fridge. Epic fail.
Price is Right fails. Fridge falling fail. What the hell?
Right.
That was good.
Yeah, so we will
See you maybe
see
next
you
week.
around.